Assalamualaikum. Today I'm making chicken chana recipe. Subscribe my channel. Ghee 1 cup. To medium-sized onion. To medium-sized tomato. Garlic and green chili. Now cook for 5 minutes. Zira chicken. Red chili powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chili flakes, salt. Now add spices. Now add chana. Two glass water and cook for 9-10 minutes. Chicken chana is ready. Garnish with coriander leaves. Like, share, and comment. Subscribe for more recipes. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.